fashion. It's faster than ever. Looks, styles, designs, collections, sales, pre-sales, outlets. It's never-ending. Somehow, it's become easier to buy something new than to care for what's already in our wardrobes. With the Care Label project, we at AEG want to turn this around, inspiring and educating people to build a better relationship with their clothes. We should buy clothes we love, care for them, wash them, dry them, and repair them. We should be able to disregard dry clean only, learn to wash in lower temperatures, and feel confident when putting wool garments in our machines. Technology can help drive this change. At AEG, we've developed gentler drying techniques, smarter use of detergents, minimize color fading, and enable lower temperature washing. But people also need to change their behavior. To help, we're joining forces with cutting-edge designers, manufacturers, and industry organizations from around the world to launch a completely new care label, Don't Overwash, along with an exclusive collection of designer garments with specific care advice and a modern fabric care guide. All tested and perfected using our most cutting-edge care technology. But this is just the beginning. Join us at carelabelproject.com.